everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becca and welcome to my bedroom. We are finally installing the bed that I've been working on. If you didn't see my last video, I posted a vlog of the process of refinishing this bed. I got it on Marketplace originally. It was painted matte black, but before that it was painted Kelly green, and even before that it was a very beautiful wood stain, and we've restored it back to the wood stain. So my bed is a king bed and it's extremely heavy. Like, I don't know if, I think mattresses are generally pretty heavy, but like king beds are just so big that this is going to be a truly unhinged, heinous experience. Sorry, my microphone is gonna flop around because my shirt is not very structured and it's not gonna hold it in very well. I will do my best to ensure proper audio quality, but I don't know how I'm gonna move this, although I have done it before at a different time when I got our last bed. So I'm not gonna say it's impossible. I think what I'm going to try to do at least is lift the mattress so it's standing over there against that wall. See, now this is where it's complicated because how do I get it? I have to like get underneath it. We did it. We did it, Joe. Oh, shoot. Did we do it? Whoa. Now we just pray that that doesn't fall. One thing I'm going to do is have this lay flat on the ground. Then I'm going to take the headboard piece and just like slot it in. Spoiler alert, I did not refinish the back of the headboard. To be honest, I couldn't be bothered. It took so long to do the front. I did not want to do the back. Cool. I am so excited and pleased and just all of the nice adjectives that one could feel about their bed. It is so nice to have my bed off the ground, and I feel like this bed just matches the scale of this room so well. It's just perfect. I love it. I love the stain. This was my first like real furniture makeover. Possibly my last, because it was not fun, but I'm glad that I did it. I was looking around on Pinterest because, as I mentioned in a previous episode, I was thinking about possibly connecting the 4 posters with like a dowel or something. So I was looking also at just like 4 poster bed toppers, because the top of these, they're called pencils, I guess, but the top of them actually has holes, and I was just looking to see if like there was supposed to be something up there. So I just searched like 4 poster bed toppers and I found this exact bed. Like the same headboard design, the pencil posters, new, like the new version of this bed is retailing for like $2,000, and it was from like an Amish furniture company. I was looking at the toppers for these and I might get them because it basically, the ones that it comes with is like a cone shape, and it just completes the tip of the pencil, and I just think that would make it look really nice and finished. But also, on another note, I feel like between here is just begging for a really beautiful piece of art. I need to think about that a little bit more, and like how, like what art I would want, and like the frame. I feel like I would want it to be like a super ornate frame, or maybe more modern and not ornate, because on the other side of you, I was thinking about doing a bunch of frames around the gleaming primrose mirror, but we'll see. And then as far as nightstands go, this bed is pretty tall, which I'm in love with. I love that. I don't know what to do for nightstands, because if you have a tall bed, are you supposed to have tall nightstands? And also, if you have a tall bed, are you supposed to have a bed skirt, or is it just like open on the bottom? So anyway, that's the update here. I am probably just gonna spend the rest of the night chilling because I don't have anything else to update on. I guess I could unpack these boxes that are over here, but I think I'm just gonna watch TV because I have not spent a lot of time just resting since we got here. Like, it's been rare. So I'm gonna spend some time resting now that this project is done and get excited for the next project. Good morning. It's been a few days since you last saw me because I had a battery situation. I could not find my camera batteries or the charger. And that's on moving. But last time you did see me, I was moving the piano into the dining room. And also, we finally have a dining table. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. It has like a trestle on the bottom. It's such a beautiful table. But here's the story. So I've been looking on Marketplace like every single day for the last, I don't know, ever since we moved in. And I saw this table like almost the first time I was looking. I liked it, but for some reason in my mind, I thought that we would need a much bigger table for the space. So I was messaging the person and we were kind of making a plan, and then I kind of was like, actually, I think it's too small. Let's move on. 2 days ago, he messaged me and he's like, hey, just wondering if you're still interested in this table. I'm just messaging everybody who's expressed interest to try to get rid of this. I'm honestly so surprised that it took a long time for this table to sell because it's beautiful, it's perfect, and yeah, it's great. It didn't come with chairs, so I think maybe that's why. And then I saw the chairs, which was a set of 8, which was like more than I wanted. I wanted 6, but like you can always put chairs somewhere, like it's not a big deal. I put one of the extra chairs actually in this little desk spot in our kitchen, which like these are so outdated and we really don't have these in modern kitchens, but it's actually been such a helpful tool. I've been sitting at it like working and stuff, and it just helps me stay focused to like sit against a wall and not have anything else to look at. I don't know, I think it's really nice. We do need a bigger rug for this space, and I did find one that I really like. I'm thinking it's gonna be a more light colored rug for here because we have the dark wood table and the dark wood piano, and then those blinds are also dark wood, and then the cabinets are dark wood. So I'm just trying to balance the tones as best I can. I did have plans to possibly like refinish the piano, not paint it. I talked about that in my last video, and someone suggested I talk to like a piano tuner, which I will be doing that because I want to get the piano tuned. The dogs are playing and just like going crazy. Sorry. I want to get the piano tuned for sure, but I was thinking I wanted to refinish it because it's just really, really beat up. But then Daniel pointed out, like, if the bed was that bad for me, then this would be so much worse because there's like 1,000 more nooks and crannies and like intricate seams and details. But as you can see, she has 100% seen better days. Like, it's in pretty rough shape. I don't know. Maybe I could do like a restore a finish moment and just give it like a really deep clean, but it doesn't have the little handles anymore. And it is just like gross. Like, it's super dirty. The little key markings are still there from when my sister and I were kids teaching ourselves to play. It's just really bad. It needs a very, very deep clean, but the brand is Wurlitzer. Yeah, so I will be in contact with a piano tuner eventually, probably in the next couple of months, because I think probably before Christmas I want to be able to play it because I want to learn some Christmas songs. And anyway, there's also a bench that comes with it that I haven't reassembled yet. But yeah, so that's the big house update. We finally have a table. assembling the shelves, and it did take an entire nap time because I had to disassemble 4 of them and fix where I hooked up the shelves, because on the bottom of the shelves there are 2 spacing options, and if you're going to be hooking these up like next to each other, then you need to do the more inner hole, just so you guys know if anybody's going to do this. But as I was finishing up, I was looking at this area and I was like, wait, do I want to put them on this wall instead? Because this wall gets really pretty morning light. But I was thinking about putting it on the opposite wall because there's just not a lot going on over there, and I was always envisioning the installation I want to do on this wall, but I just don't want it to look small on that wall, and I feel like on this wall it would look huge, and that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm gonna just like set them here as they would be on the floor, and then see kind of what I think. Okay, hi. I just went to Once Upon a Child, and I was actually going because I needed to get a pair of shoes for Nora because she needs a backup pair of shoes for a daycare just in case her shoes get wet or something. And if you don't know what Once Upon a Child is, you guys, it's incredible. It's like a thrift store just for kids stuff, or it's really like a consignment store because you can take stuff there. Clearance was also an extra 50% off, so we got this cute little gauze, which is similar to, actually it's the same type of fabric as what I'm currently wearing, and it's like a little 2-piece set. I found this really cute Cat and Jack overalls. Also, oh no, this isn't Cat and Jack, this is Rabbit and Bear, which is one of my favorite kids brands. They're always really, really soft, and I found this little set, little heart set. I just thought that was so cute. Here's where I got a little risky. I saw this set. This is a Jessica Simpson kids line, and the print is so freaking cute, and it had matching pants. So I don't know if this is exactly going to fit her because it's a 6 to 9 month, but you know how some brands like run big or run small? It doesn't look that much smaller than stuff that she's currently wearing. Like the shirt will for sure fit her. It's just the pants might be a little tight on the waist, in which case, no, I don't even think they're going to be tight. I think these will fit her perfectly fine, so I decided to risk it. Another cute little set is from Cat and Jack. This is like I think it's probably like a more Christmassy set, so this will definitely fit her through Christmas because it's an 18-month size, but I just thought this was so cute. The shoes in question, they're a little bit beat up, like you can definitely tell that they were hard loved, but they're gonna be a good shoe for her as her backup. And I also always try to get shoes that have a wide toe box. Usually I get her shoes from Poco Kids, and I did order some new ones, but they are way too big for her, and I'm just gonna hold on to them until they will actually fit her because they're really cute. And then lastly, I picked up this Halloween costume. I don't know if this is going to be the costume, but I thought it was adorable, and all she has to do is wear like black leggings underneath it, and it's easy. I was thinking I was going to make our costumes this year, but just in case I don't, we have a backup. So that was my Once Upon a Child haul. All of that, if you can believe it, costs $40. Crazy because there's so many pieces in there, and a lot of them are sets. So it's like a whole outfit. That's like, I don't even know how much that would cost per item, but really, really cheap. So anyway, I'm gonna go over to Trader Joe's now because I'm in the area. I was actually coming out into town because I wanted to go to Lululemon. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna start doing reformer Pilates, and I have nothing to wear to it. Like, I only have like biker shorts at this point as far as like leggings go. I do have one pair of Lululemon Align leggings that I've had literally for, I want to say 10 years, and they're still in really great condition. I had a pair of Lulu shorts that I just sold on Poshmark because I just never really wore them anymore, and they're like a low rise, and I don't like low rise stuff, but I bought them also probably 10 years ago, and they were in literally perfect condition. I don't know if Lululemon still has the same quality integrity that it had like 10 years ago. I have heard mixed things, but because I've had those pieces literally for a decade, I wanted to go there again and see what I can find. But I always get imposter syndrome walking in there. Like, I've only shopped at Lulu that one time and I never wanted to go back. Just not because I had a particularly bad experience, but I think I just have like imposter syndrome when it comes to shopping for activewear. I don't know, but yeah, I was like talking myself out of going because I was like, oh well, I'll just go to Trader Joe's instead. And like I do also plan on going to Trader Joe's, but let's just go to freaking Lululemon. Okay, let's overcome our fears and go to places that cool girls go, because we are a cool girl. I'm back from my shopping adventure. I am pleased to announce that I did go to an athletic wear store. I went to Athleta and I was really disoriented because I walked in and I thought that I walked into Lululemon, but I actually walked into Athleta. They're right next to each other, and Lululemon was actually closed because they're under construction of some sort. So I did get leggings. Well, first of all, I got these. I put the tag somewhere so I would remember what they're called. Okay, these are the Elation straight leg pant, and I got them in a size medium. I feel like medium is what I would normally choose for like pants and stuff. I can already tell I'm gonna be wearing these like seriously all the time, and as I mentioned, I haven't bought like good athletic wear in like 10 years. How many times can I say it? But yeah, it's been a long time. Look how cute the bag is. Love it. And then I also got, they had a deal where if you spent $200 you got 50 bucks off, so you know, I got 2 pairs of leggings and that was basically it. These ones are like actual tight, like all the way down to your ankles, where these ones are straight leg, and I honestly prefer the straight leg, but I do like a good pair of leggings. And I think that they were saying that the Elation is 3, like the waistband is like 3 layers or something like that, so you feel like very sucked in, and I don't feel like they're gonna fall off when I'm doing like, not necessarily like weightlifting, but when I'm like doing like squatting or doing bar or something, I don't feel like these are gonna fall off at all. And then this top was on sale, so I got it. It's like a long sports bra, and these pants are very high-waisted, so it overlaps a good amount. And I was very excited about that. I feel like having at least really solid leggings is important for me for working out, and the tops I can just kind of switch in and out of. I don't feel like that's as important. As mentioned though, I also went to Trader Joe's after, and I picked up some hydrangea. They're a little bit smashed, so I hope that they kind of unfold a little bit. But they're so beautiful. And I also got some mums. That looks terrible. Oh, it's kind of funny how bad it is. Now I'm realizing that it is peak spooky season and I still have not watched a spooky movie. So I was cleaning out the closet next to our room, like just kind of folding blankets better. I saw our projector and it reminded me that we have it. So I think I'm going to quickly rotate the laundry and then set up the projector to watch a little spooky movie. I'm thinking Hocus Pocus.